Welcome to class 8. Children, yesterday I explained SST chapter in geography resources. So again I am giving some examples today also for resources. Means जो हमारी जरूरतों को पूरा करते हैं वो रिसोर्स कहलाते हैं. The water you drink on this planet is also a resource. The electricity we use in our daily life is also a resource. The transportation we use in our daily life, no matter what is also a resource. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable, books, though are separate things, but there is something. What is that thing? It is utility. Why? Because we use them, we just do not keep them locked up in one place as a stock, but we use them to the maximum. Therefore, the utility and usability makes the object or substance a resource. Understood, children? Now the best question one can ask, how does an object become a resource? I will explain with an example. Suppose I give you electricity, but you did not know how to use it. Then how to turn it into a resource? You go to school to get knowledge, but if you are not told how do you turn it into resource, then मीन्स अपने लिए यूजफुल उस चीज को कैसे बनाओगे बिकॉज एवरी रिसोर्स हैज सम वैल्यू एंड ह्यूमंस हैव नॉलेज सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यू हैव टू नॉलेज अबाउट दिस थिंग और पोटेंशियल टू चेंज इट इनटू ए रिसोर्स लाइक सोलर एनर्जी some have economical value for example metal have an economical value Yesterday I told you classification on the basis of journal. So first one was the natural resource, second one human resource and third was human made resource. Today I will tell you classification based on exhaustivity. First one is renewable resource means reused. The resources which we can reuse, they called renewable resources. Some resources like forest and water which could be continuously for time over to all are called renewable resources. Water is the most important renewable resource. Second one, non-renewable resource. Some resources like minerals, coal and oil get exhausted after some years. These resources have fixed or limited resource of supply. It takes thousands of years for their formation. So these are the two resources based on exhaustivity. Next is classification on the basis of origin. मीन्स ये रिसोर्सेज हमको कहाँ से मिलते हैं या कहाँ से निकलते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वन इज बायोटिक रिसोर्स. दीज आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म सच एज प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रास, वर्ड्स, फिश एसेट्रा. दे प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन सेटिस्फाइंग आवर डे टू डे नीड्स. They have the capacity to regenerate within a period of time. Suppose you can take egg. Egg जो है वो आप डेली आपको मिल जाता है, वो बार बार आते हैं आपको मिल जाते हैं. Second one is abiotic resource. These are non-living things as rocks, soil, minerals. They cannot be reproduced. So all this work you have to write in your register and learn also. Thank you children. Tomorrow I will give you other classification.